All right, so question 4 says that during the rainy season, Louisa leaves her bucket outside and she records the amount of rain in the bucket each day. Every day she empties the bucket into a tub, and when she does this for 8 days and records the results on this line plot right here. So my line plot is basically like a number line. So I'm going to go ahead and analyze my number line so that I can understand it. So I see that I have 2 holes, and each of my holes has 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay, so that means that each is worth a fourth. So I'm going to go ahead and number my number line. So this would be 1/4, this would be 2/4 or 1/2, 3/4. I have 1 hole, and then I would have 1 and 1/4. I would have 1 and 1/2 and 1 and 3/4. So now I know what each tick mark stands for on my line plot. So I noticed that she had one day where she recorded 1/4 of a quart. So there was one day that she recorded 1/4 of a quart, but there was 2 days that she recorded 1/2 of a quart. So I'm going to multiply those to get the totals. 2 times 1/2 would be 1 whole. 1/2 and 1/2 is 1 whole. There were 3 days that she had 1 whole quart. So that would be a total of 3 quarts. There would be 1 day at 1 3/4 quarts. And then 1 day that she had 2 quarts. So what I want to do now is add up all of my totals to find out the total amount that she collected over 8 days. And to help me, I'm going to look at my whole numbers first. So I'm going to circle all of my whole numbers and add those together. So she had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 quarts so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a square around all my fractions that I need to add together. And I notice that I have 3/4 plus 1/4, and I know that I add my numerators, that gives me 4/4 or 1 whole. So I have 7 quarts here plus that 1 whole quart here. That gives me 8 quarts. So over the 8 days, she recorded 8 quarts, answer B.